December the 19th, 2014. Hi, it's Scott Powell from Smail, Motorcars, Mercedes-Benz. If you've been following our demolition and construction project, you can see today we have iron workers. Look at that. Crane and all these pieces are going to go into the support structure for our new showroom. Now, even though all this is going on, service is still open, our sales department is still open, we're doing business, and business is good. Smail, Motorcars, Mercedes-Benz in Greensboro. Come on down and see us.